Make a video zoomed out on the S&P 500, please, and tell me how the do you think that looks bullish to you? Okay, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how and why the S&P 500 looks bullish right now. It's because you guys don't know how to read a fucking chart and you have no understanding of market psychology and what people are doing in the market. Every single person on this entire planet sees this downtrend in the S&P 500 that even your fucking grandmother from her retirement account is shorting this downtrend saying, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Let me get my retirement account, baby. We're going to short this market down. Shut the fuck up. How is this how is this bullshit? Because you're a fucking idiot. You think that the market's just going to drop every single time at this line and Granny's going to short from her retirement account? You're not supposed to touch your retirement account. Okay? That's how fucking obvious and bad this is right now. Is everyone in the world thinks that this downtrend is just going to hold right here, right now, and I believe we're about to squeeze the fuck out. Everyone is going to short here. Everyone who thinks that Granny can short from her retirement account, Granny, stop touching the retirement account. That's how fucking obvious this is, you see? So everyone's going to short here, and that's exactly why we're going to squeeze out to 1, 410, to all as high as even 430. Okay, so we can have a massive short squeeze and basically bull trap here as everyone starts to see, oh my god, we're breaking the downtrend. Is the bear market over? And as we start to break this downtrend is when people start to actually get bullish, and that's when you want to start shorting the market is up here, not right here when it's very obvious. Okay, so that's my take on the market right now, is everyone is so fucking bearish, and even a 3-year-old could short this downtrend. And when it gets that easy, guys, when it's too good to be true, it is too good to be true. So get your head out of your ass, you pieces of shit. There's a reason you can't trade this market like me. That's the reason why you were shorting the market at $16,000 Bitcoin when we were longing this shit. You piece of shit. Okay, so that's exactly why the S&P 500 looks bullish to me, is because fuckers like you are fucking bearish on this shit, and fuckers like you are never right. So that is why I'm bullish on the S&P 500 in the short term for the next month to 3 months. On top of that, guys, if you look at the Amazon weekly chart, if you look at stocks like Microsoft, Apple, they're all in a very bullish pattern right now. Incredibly bullish pattern. First, look at Amazon. Massive bullish divergence on the weekly. Look at this. As price goes lower, the strength goes up. Okay, so this is what a lot of you guys are doing. You're shorting the bottom. You're shorting the lows as price is actually getting stronger as it goes lower. Okay, and so I want you to notice two things. Not only is this bullish divergence on the daily time frame on Amazon, it's also there on the weekly time frame. And when you get bullish divergence on a weekly time frame, don't expect to make new lows for at least 2 to 3 to 4 months. Okay, check this out. As we set this first low here, you can see where the RSI was. It was right here. As we went and set this second low, you can see where the RSI was. It was right here. And as we went and set this third low, you can see where the RSI was. It was even higher. And so every single time, guys, we are going lower, the price of Amazon is actually getting stronger. And on top of that, you stupid idiots who don't know how to read charts, we came down to the COVID crash bottom low at $81, and Amazon bounced perfectly off of it with this bullish divergence on a weekly time frame. Now I want you to notice what happened on the other times that we set a bottom in this pattern. It took, once we set this bottom here, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 weeks before we ever broke that bottom again. That is 5 months before we broke that bottom. Here, it took, here's the bottom, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks before we broke that bottom. Okay, and so here we are, and we're only on the second week coming out of the bottom. So here is my answer to you. Here it took 22 weeks to break the bottom, and here it took 6 weeks to break the bottom. So we're not going to break this bottom and this low in the market for another 6 weeks minimum, but as long as 20 weeks or more. Okay, so that could look like this, it could look like this, it could look like this, it could look like this, this. Like, imagine these are all weekly candles, right? This. And so before you know it, guys, we might not break this low until freaking November of this year, for example. November. Do you understand? You could literally not break this bottom low for an entire year almost. Okay, so you guys are all overly bearish right now. And look, that's still a bear market. Okay, it could literally take a year to break that low. It would still be a bear market. We'd still be in a downtrend. You guys are overly bearish in a local bottom point that could actually turn out to be the ultimate bottom. We're going to find out. Okay, but the point is, in the short term, with the 1 to 3 months going forward, we're not going to break this low. And so if we're not going to break this low, don't expect the stock market to make new lows. When we're looking at Amazon and we see similar things happening, not just in Amazon, but in Microsoft and in Apple. So that's your reasoning how the stock market actually looks bullish as shit right now. So this has the potential to be the most hated bear market rally we have seen so far. And trust me, the ones that have came before it have been very hated. This one here, but this one could be hated the most. And so it can also, you see, the market is not that easy to trade, right? Because look, everyone thinks they're just going to short the market here and then it's going to collapse. Fucking idiots, guys. The market's never that easy. You see, once it gets too easy, like I said, once things are too good to be true, it is too good to be true. And I'm telling you, I have the experience to know these situations where, look, I'm telling you, 9 times out of 10, everyone in the world right now thinks they're just going to short it here, and everyone thinks that the market's just going to collapse from here. Bro, I'm telling you, the market's not that easy 90% of the time. Sometimes the market can be that easy, but most of the time it's not, and so the market's going to surprise people in those times where it's so freaking easy and so obvious that, oh yeah, downtrend, granny shorted from her retirement account, it's going to go lower. No, you see, it just doesn't work like that, and so that's when they squeeze it and they make it hard on you. You know, there's no such thing as everyone in the world shorting the market at the same place and everyone in the world making money together, right? For someone to make money, someone has to lose money. You see? So if everyone's just going to short the market here and make money, well, guess what, buddy? That doesn't work because not everyone in the world can just print money at the same time together. Can you imagine if literally every person in the world is shorting? Well, guess what? That's what 90% of people are doing. And that's why the 10% are going to take advantage, push this higher. It's kind of how it works. It's like a simplified version. There's really a lot more that goes on. Like, basically if everyone is hedging the market and they're buying VIX calls, for example, if everyone's buying SPY puts, well, guess what? The people who are writing those contracts and those options are going to lose a lot of money if the market actually collapses down to their contract strike prices, right? And since the derivatives market is such a massive market, it's like over $100 trillion, like freaking as much as real estate, I think. Okay, the derivatives market is so large. If everyone is predicting that we're just going to drop here, well, that means the people who write these options are going to lose their ass for writing those options. They're going to lose money. And so the people who are smart, the people who write these options are not going to allow the market to just tank when everyone thinks it's going to tank. That's why these market makers will push the market higher at times where it looks like it should and has to go lower. And that's why you can't just simply short it with granny at the point that it's so obvious. Okay, so obviously I could break that down and go deeper into detail there, but this is an 8-minute video, and I think this was a solid explanation and a very short explanation on why I'm actually bullish here, as bearish as the market looks and as obvious as it looks to short it right there. So guys, hope that answers your question on why I'm actually bullish on the market. And dude, if the dollar actually breaks 101, holy shit, this market's going to blast off to 4,300 probably. Okay, you can see dollar's already broken this uptrend, and this last support level is at 101. If the dollar breaks 101, bro, that's not looking good for the dollar. Like, it could literally come down to $97, $93. Now, look, 101 is a very strong support level, so it should hold, at least in the short term, and that should be a little bit of a bearish pressure on the markets. But yeah, if that level breaks, bro, freaking this squeeze will really be hated, and this market will get to 4,300 if 101 breaks. But 101 should not break in the short term. So we'll play it week by week, guys. So anyways, that's my analysis on the stock market. It's not just about the S&P index. You need to look at individual stocks like Amazon, Tesla, Apple, market leaders, and that goes into the analysis as well as the dollar and the VIX. But anyways, guys, got to keep this video short. Hope that makes sense. That's why I'm actually bullish. It's very contrarian, and it goes against what looks so obvious. But I think I've explained you why. So that's my analysis for the stock market. Obviously, I primarily trade crypto, and so obviously, to begin this week or to begin this year, I'm sorry, we've already made over $130,000 in profit in just the first 2 weeks of this year. It's been a great start to it. So if you want to join my Telegram alerts channel, it's the first link down below this video. It is completely free to join my Telegram channel, where I literally send you the exact same trades that I am taking. So if you want to join my alerts group, first link down below this video to take advantage, as I've opened it up to be completely free for everyone. Okay, the only thing is we have a minimum account requirement of $750. So when you're trying to join the alerts, you'll come to this page, obviously, and what a lot of you are seeing is it says start crash trading now, $99 a month. No, it used to cost $99 a month if you were a course member and $200 a month if you were a non-course member. So basically, I just haven't updated the site, but if you click through, it's completely free. I promise you'll get in. It's free, even though it says it's $99. Go through. Okay, so follow the requirements here. I literally made a video explaining exactly what you need to do to get in for completely free. There's only 2 steps. Find your BitGet user ID, find your Telegram user ID, and that user ID needs to be one in the Telegram bot as well as in your trading account, which is set up on either BitGet, Femex, or Bybit under my channel's partner link. That's it. Those are your only 2 requirements. You do that, you're in for free. Only thing is, once again, $750 minimum account requirement. All right, and the bigger the account, the faster you'll get accepted. So guys, I'll see you later. Take care.